In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermarks with Canva's Magic Eraser. So the first thing that you need to do is log into your Canva account, and you will either end up on the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now from here, wherever you are, navigate over to the left-hand column of menu options and click on Create. And when you do that, you will be presented with Canva's Create a Design window. And from here, on the left-hand side of this window, scroll all the way down to Upload and click on Upload. And when you do that, you will have the option to upload files or upload a folder. You want to focus on upload files, and from there your device's file explorer will open. Simply just click on the image and there it is. So from here, you do not want to use in a new design. Instead, click on Edit Image, and when you do that, you will now have a range of image editing options. So you want to focus on the Tools section and you want to click on Magic Edit. So from here, once Magic Edit is open, you want to click into the Describe Your Edit field. And when you click into it, you want to be specific about the elements that you'd like to remove. So we want to remove all of these watermarks. So in here, I will say, please remove all of the watermarks from this image. You can be even more specific if you need to be, but this should be fine. So from there, click on Generate. So Canva will now erase all of the watermarks. So there we go. All of the watermarks have been completely removed from the image, as you can see. So then from here, all you would do is simply click on Save, or you can use it in a new design, but the best thing to do is to click on Save. And now it has been saved to our downloads, our uploads. So now you can access that image without the watermarks anytime you need it. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if there are any questions that you may have had along the way or any struggles that you may have experienced, please feel free to leave them in the comment section of this video, and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video.